7:20, we've been up since like 5:30. We're heading to Jeju. It's our first and only full day in Jeju.
Baby.
Graham is very good with the locals. Graham has just decided to randomly start stretching in the middle of the road.
Hiking time.
Now they're both doing it together.
Someone might join in.
Amateurs.
Limber up, bruh.
There it is. And so begins our treacherous hike. Matt is going to explain what this thingamajig is.
So it's called Seongsan Ilchulbong. It is an archetypical tough cone formed by hydrovolcanic eruptions upon a shallow seabed about 5,000 years ago.
5,000 years ago. The new 7 wonders of nature.
182 meters.
So, this is why you shouldn't let white people into your country. They just stole your money, Graham.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go see some old ladies who free dive in the water. We found a beach here in Jeju, but it's absolutely freezing. Please note that Graham's legs are whiter than the actual windmill things behind him. What do you call those things? In a world where seaweed is crunchy, it is another beautiful day in Jeju, Korea. We are gonna just go exploring today, maybe find some caves. Okay, here we go. Going inside Matt's mystical cave of mysticalness. The largest lava tubes in the whole world. The whole world. Okay. We've put more clothes on so that we can handle the freezing temperature in Matt's cave. Matt, what are you photographing?
All the lines. Look at the lines on the cave.
Doesn't this make you feel like Lara Croft?
Yes.
The lava came in there. And went like... We emerged step by step from the cave. We have survived. We have done it. We have achieved the unachievable. We are amazing. Matt, was that everything you could hope for and more?
I think so, yeah. I was pretty stoked. I was very happy. That was awesome.
Matt has been dreaming of going to that cave since yesterday afternoon. We have achieved Matt's 24-hour dream. Yeah. If you just believe, you can achieve your dream within 24 hours. Isn't that true, Matt?
If your dream is to go to a cave on the same island that you're on, yeah, sure.
See, just believe, anything is possible. We're about to get lost in a maze. And there's some fat cats. Look, fat cats.
Okay, I'm going the other way. Goodbye.
Okay, we're all gonna find our own way through the maze. Record yourselves. This maze could be taken anywhere.
This is Graham reporting live from the maze. I have just entered. I've abandoned my friends. May not see them alive ever again. Not the worst thing in the world. You can always make new friends.
Not a good sign. Did you find the bell?
I know, we have come across a villain. Look who it is.
Hello.
I never thought I'd see him alive again.
Oh, are you recording yourself? I'm recording this way.
Starting to pick up the pace now. I need to try and beat Mark and Matt to the exit.
I must have taken one wrong turn. So if I just go back.
Well, that was it. I think I might have won. This is the bell.
Yes, I see stairs. I see stairs. Yes, am I free? Am I free? No? What the hell?
I give up. The maze is won. Could this be it? I've made it! I have made it! It's official, it's real this time. I'm free!
So that's a wrap on Jeju. We're heading to the airport now. Beautiful day for a wedding. Can you believe this is actually happening? Well, that's it, the first one bites the dust, Matt. Who will be next?
Yeah, I don't know.
Now the best part of any wedding, food. And so ends an epic trip to South Korea. From the vibrant streets of Gangnam to the hostile borders of the north to the island vibes of Jeju, every moment was magical. A truly unique travel experience. And getting to do it with my oldest friends made it that much sweeter. Although we all live in different corners of the world and each of you are achieving great things in your lives, it's good to know we can get together again and continue our friendship, as if we had just seen each other the day before. Thanks for giving us the best excuse to do it, Jin. So proud of you, bro.